with the twist that DMK seems to have given to the language issue. DMK blaming Hindi-speaking railway gateman Pankaj Sharma, not a Tamilian. Language confusion to blame for a tragedy where two kids, remember, had died earlier as train hit a school van. This incident from Kudalur. Pramod Madhav has got more details on that. This is an accident, Pramod, and the parties now seem to be suggesting that the gateman was speaking Hindi. This was a language issue and hence this accident. What's their argument?
It's a very unfortunate incident that has occurred over here, and this is a track where it occurred. In fact, from here, if you could see over there, almost 50 meters away, one of the child's body was there. In fact, now it has been marked with a piece of cloth. So that's what we want to highlight. And here you see the particular school van, the condition of the school van over here. And unfortunately, on one side, the railways claim that the gatekeeper, the van driver, apparently tried to speak to the gatekeeper, and he requested to keep the gate open. But here, the local people from here claim that's an entirely different story. They claim that the gatekeeper was completely having a full night's work over here and he went to sleep. In fact, we have one of the people from here whose name is Gopu. நேத்து என்ன ஆச்சுங்க இங்க?
இன்னைக்குதான் காலையில பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா ட்ரெயின் வரும்போது கேட் ஓப்பன் வந்துருச்சு. வேன் வரும்போது ஸ்கூல் வேன் வரும்போது வேன் கிராஸ் பண்ணக்குள்ள ட்ராக்ல ட்ரெயின் வந்து அடிச்சிருச்சு.
He claims that the gate was open in the morning and that's the reason for this particular accident, because of which that is the condition of the school van over there. Gatekeeper கிட்ட வந்து van driver சொன்னாரு திறந்து வைங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க.
அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. கேட் ஓப்பன்ல தான் இருந்துச்சு.
Nothing like that.
அவங்க டிரைவர்லாம் திறக்க சொல்லல. கேட் ஓப்பன்ல தான் இருந்தது.
He claims that the driver did not ask to keep the gate open. The gate was open actually, and that's the condition. அவருக்கு ஹிந்தி தான் பேசுவாரா இல்ல தமிழும் தெரியுமா இல்ல எப்படி அது புரிஞ்சுப்பாரா தமிழ் பேசலாம்?
புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்க. ஹிந்தி தமிழ் பேச மாட்டாங்க. ஹிந்தி தான் பேசுவாங்க.
எத்தனை வருஷமா இங்க இருக்காரு?
ஒரு வருஷத்துக்கு மேல இருக்காங்க.
The gatekeeper has been working in this place for 1 year. He understands Tamil, but he does not speak Tamil. He's a Hindi person. That's what Gopu from this area claims. And this is a condition of that particular track, Sneha. Single track over here, and both sides you have complete bushes, because of which the people, anybody, any vehicle, does not know what's happening over here. And this is the only area where you have the gatekeeper. He sits in this place, and from here he controls it. In fact, the speed was so much today morning that one of the electric posts that you see over here got thrown away. Now, we've been told that what happened is that the van came through that spot. It hit this particular shed over here. It hit one of the posts at this point. In fact, you could see the ground over there. It's completely broken. And the metal lamp post was here is over there. So that is the kind of impact, and because of which it was almost tracked 50 meters and the vehicle was thrown over here. And this is the present condition of the vehicle. 3 students have died, unfortunately. 1 child and the driver is battling, and the people over here claim that it is because the gate was open.